Okay, the perfect lime cutting for Mexican beer. So you start out slicing it both ends, and you continue slice so that the skin is covering each piece totally. And then what you have left is a little centerpiece we can use for something else. And you take the nice juicy lime and the beer, squeeze, and it goes. Beer salt. Salud.
Salud.